How do you know if your AAA battery is still good? Hey guys. In today's video, I will show you how to test AAA batteries with a multimeter. As you can see, this battery is rated at 1.5 volts. On your multimeter, you want to set it to the DC voltage range. Since the battery is rated at 1.5 volts, you can set your multimeter to 4. Touch the positive red probe to the positive end of the battery and the negative black probe to the negative end of the battery. Since the multimeter shows 1.595, this battery is still good. You can also touch the positive red probe to the negative end of the battery and the negative black probe to the positive end of the battery. In this configuration, you will get the same reading, but the value is negative. To fully test this battery, put it under a load condition. To do so, connect a resistor and have current flow through it. You can read voltage as the current flows through the resistor and the battery. In this example, the resistor is around 100 ohms. Use alligator clips to connect the resistor to the battery. Connect the alligator clips to the probes. Touch the probes to each end of the battery. As you can see, the reading is slightly higher. I hope this video has shown you how to test a AAA battery using a multimeter effectively. I am looking forward to seeing you in the upcoming video.